One of your producers or somebody.
Hey. Tough. I have to burn it.
I have to burn it. Okay. Oh my. Good job, Mike. You knocked that out. Hey, you becoming a utility man.
Okay.
All right. I'm gonna grab one of them plugs. Set it down in there.
What is it exactly?
Well, this is a force plug where we send our argon to.
The gas.
Yeah.
Argon gas. Okay, that's what stirs the steel.
Yeah.
What is it?
Steel.
It stirs the steel. The argon gas comes through this.
Right.
They control the gas remotely.
Yeah.
The gas causes it to rotate.
Right.
Thereby stirring the contents.
Right. Now you're gonna stick your hand in these gloves. Just one of them.
All right.
What you're gonna do is smear it on first. Just put a little coat on it first.
The plug has to be coated with sealant for an airtight fit.